Hey, what's going on? Yes, we rent houses. We have a new rental listing about to hit the market, doing some touch up in this beautiful 3-bedroom property in Pigtown on Washington Boulevard. This is not going to last long. This is our third property in this neighborhood for rent. This property will rent quick. Folks, carpet down the steps, nice first floor. There's a dining area here, living room area, kitchen, washer and dryer. We're cleaning up this unit, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This unit will be available for rent very, very soon. Apply today at yeswerentHouses.com. Thank you.